Do-de-doo, I wanna be like you. Did I fall asleep watching TikTok last night? Yep. Hey guys!
I'm really excited about this one because even though we've been doing Birchbox vs. Ipsy for forever, this one is so much better product value, size,
potential,
quantity, excitement.
And that's Boxycharm versus Ipsy Plus, which, okay, I think you guys said that Ipsy Plus is $25. I'll be honest, I went to the website, I signed up, put my credit card information in, and I just don't look at it come out because I just can't, okay? So I think it's 25 and I think Boxycharm's like 2021. We've been signed up for Boxycharm for a long time, so I don't remember either.
Right.
So if you like unboxing videos, you give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you subscribe. If you want to know when we upload new videos, you hit the bell. And now we're gonna do the thumbnail. Okay, Boxycharm, let's do you first. I'm gonna save the new for the end. I wanna know down in the comments, while you're waiting on Steph to open this, what subscriptions do you guys receive? What do you sign up to? What do you get? I want to know.
This is one that we had this one?
I've never heard of that.
Okay, this is Tarte Big Ego.
So that's brand new to me.
Never heard of it.
Yeah.
I might have heard just a tip of it, but it's not something that's like out in the stores that I've heard of for years or anything like that.
It's not something that I've seen in my Boxycharm, my Birchbox in sample form 10 times over.
Fun.
It's like neon.
It's huge.
You don't want to open it and look at it?
Yeah.
I mean, what are you doing?
It's weird. It looks like a plastic, but it feels like almost metally. Wait,
so the wand in the picture, the wand in the picture makes me think kind of Better Than Sex.
You're gonna like it.
It says twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load, lash loving ingredients, and the before and after is very convincing.
Did I touch my nose?
No, you didn't. Look at it.
I mean, you know.
It doesn't look like she's wearing falsies. I mean, the girl has good lashes to begin with.
Yeah. That's what gets me when people are doing their mascara routine and they're like, watch, and it goes from like nothing to huge, but then you look real closely and like they just have light colored lashes, but they're already big.
Yeah.
I wish mine did that.
So,
only whenever I use serums.
Exciting.
Hashtag Big Ego lashes.
Oh, fun. Okay, this is funny. We actually
bought that.
So did I.
Never used it.
So did I. So this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I wonder if it's in this box because people aren't buying it because they're kind of weirded out by it. But this is
an expensive product.
Yeah, it's a really nice product. If you guys get Boxycharm, get excited about this. Which I don't know if all Boxycharms are the same. I don't know if different people get different stuff. I don't know. It has like,
it feels weird.
Yeah, it has like a wet sensation when you put it on. But I think it's okay. Like I don't think it has bismuth oxychloride, so you don't have to worry about it breaking you out. And it just says ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. Weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water. This powder makes skin look awakened and fresh upon application. Applied throughout the day to refresh and rejuvenate makeup. You know, this might be good.
I just found mine recently.
This might be good if we want to put a little kit together for when we do Madison and Mallory photo shoots, which if you didn't know, we have a boutique called Madison and Mallory. You can shop it online. We'll have a link down below.
For like people get shiny and they need a little whatever, but
Maddie
it also
was
feels
mentioning
good.
that sometimes the girls will get a little shiny and it would be nice if they brought something, and I'm like, we could bring stuff and just keep the brushes washed in between.
Yeah, we could have like a touch-up kit.
Yeah, I think that would be a good idea. So then, I'm not mad about that.
I went to grab this and then I wanted to grab this because it says Barbie.
Barbie!
And also, it's a peel-off mask, you guys.
Ooh, fun.
This is Pure times Barbie, glitterily.
Pink
brightening peel-off mask.
I hope it's like metallic-y pink.
I have to tell everyone a secret.
Ooh.
And the secret is this Boxycharm is so good. Normally there's one product that we both want to go to immediately, and all of these products are like fun. So yeah, it's a bright pink mask. Yeah, it's fun.
It's like the bright pink that's on the outside of the packaging.
Yeah, whoop, glitterly.
Yeah, glitterly.
This is fun, and also I like that it's in a squeezy tube because some of the like Glam Glow ones are in a dippy tube.
Yeah.
And you can use the brush to get it out, but if you don't have a brush and you have to use your fingers, it's easier to control when it's squeezy. Are you curious about prices?
Yeah, that's $26.
Powder's $40.
Powder's $39. The mascara's $23. Okay, so this is from Wonder Beauty, and it is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This one's expensive. This one is $42.
Oh my gosh.
It says it is a beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing youthful glow. Spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. No mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and it's cruelty-free. So that's cool.
The lashes. I'm excited to see what they look like. They're fun. These are some of my favorites whenever they have like the shorter bits and the longer bits, and it gives more of like that natural wispy. So Ready, Set, Get Addicted, Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. The band looks like just a smidge thick, but sometimes it's good to have a little bit of something for it to like grab onto.
Sometimes I feel like the invisible bands almost look a little weird.
Yeah.
Especially if you don't do any kind of liner or whatever.
This almost creates like a little liner for you.
Yeah.
But also whenever it has bands like this, I'll take liner and I'll mush it over it and like blend it in.
And I don't know where you get those, but they're $14.99.
It's not bad.
They're vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. They give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume.
It's a nice case. It's like magnetic.
Yeah.
That did not disappoint.
No, that was pretty good, Boxycharm. I see what you're doing. Okay, now it's time for Ipsy Plus. We will have links down below to all of the products we show, as well as links to where you can get these boxes. And I'm not sure if Ipsy has like a wait list. Sometimes they do, but I know that when I went to it, I was able to sign up pretty much like right away. And I think this is our 3rd or 4th Ipsy Plus.
Woo!
It feels a little bit like, I don't know. Oh, I'm excited about that. Do you know what this is?
No.
Okay. All right, guys. I need a show of hands.
Is that the Facebook?
Yes. I need a show of hands for if you have seen the ad for the Thrive Cosmetics, CAUSE, of the girl putting on this liquid lash extensions mascara. And if you're like, I need that. That looks like the best mascara I've ever seen in my entire life. And now we need to do a demo.
But is it actually gonna work?
I don't know. We need to do a demo. That, she's wearing fake lashes.
That's fake.
Those are fake lashes in
Fake
that
top
picture.
and bottom.
Why is that fake on the bottom?
No.
Oh. Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Don't do that.
if it's good enough, you wouldn't have to.
Yeah.
And like this one is not doing false lashes. That one's absolutely doing false lashes. Anyway, we'll see. But it is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, length and volume. And I'm pretty excited to try it. Bryn is the color, Rich Black. I'm really excited. Coat both.
Like your teeth on this side. Yeah.
Lipstick?
Yeah.
It was like,
Well, because I just realized it was there.
You got, ew! You got lipstick on your teeth.
I couldn't tell what it was because it was like a natural looking color. I couldn't see. I couldn't tell if it was lipstick or something in it. Okay.
Oh. There's just some lipstick on there, that's it. It smells pretty good. One kinda is, you know, I don't know. We'll see. I got high hopes from the Facebook ads, you know what I'm saying? And I wanna know if you guys have had any Facebook ads that like drew you into the point where like you bought stuff. I've only done it one time, I think. And we need to do a video of like trying things on Facebook ads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get womp-wompy about things like this that are just like for sunscreen.
Yeah. But you know what?
It's good for you, wear sunscreen, but I'm not excited to try new
Yeah.
ones. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like give me something exciting. It's Pure Lace Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF Sunscreen.
It could be gonna take to Disney.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm just doing it.
Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't know if it's like a good brand, but the handles are gorgeous. Okay, it's from the brand Farrah. I'm not familiar with it.
Farrah brushes, Show Me Magic.
$50 value. The mascara was a $20 value and the sunscreen was $45 value. It tells what they're for. I like that. The handles are so pretty. Like,
I wish there was like an About Us.
they are so pretty. I like this pencil brush. It feels really nice. This one kind of is like sticking out real weird like. Like, does that look like it's fanning out? It's like fanning out a little bit. And then this one, I mean, it's good for packing on shadow, I feel like. The
person's name is Farrah.
Yeah.
I just don't know anything about it.
The only one that seems a little bit questionable is this blender. It's like way fanned out. I feel like it might not be super precise for like getting in there, you know what I'm saying? But like maybe you could use it as like precise highlighting or something on your cheeks. I don't know, the handles are just gorgeous. They're very aesthetically pleasing.
Apparently everyone thinks that the person behind it is an influencer because the first question on the FAQ is Farrah Brushes affiliated with any influencer named Farrah online? No, Farrah Brushes is not affiliated with anyone.
That's weird.
Well, I mean, you're the Farrah girl from like Teen Mom or whatever.
Yeah. Well, that's fun.
Yeah.
These are not worth $50. They're not worth $50. Okay. Give me some Luxie brushes. Those aren't worth $50. Sorry. Smith &
Colt is a fun.
Do I have that
It's
color?
a fun nail polish. I think so.
What's it called?
I've gotten them before. Pillow Pie.
I have it.
But it's so bulky and heavy.
I think it's more of a vanity piece, like that you want to keep on your
it has like
vanity.
Little, like, indentions for
holding it.
Yeah.
I also have this color, dark like me.
You know, it's just a light pink.
Yeah, it's pretty.
But I feel like I don't hear much about this brand other than like being in boxes and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, next.
You don't have that color.
No, this is Coral Obsessions, and one of my beefs about subscription boxes, I'm just gonna put this out there, is when the item that you get seems like a color that is either not mainstream or maybe they had other color options and this was
like they
the
couldn't
one
sell
that
out of
didn't
it.
sell.
Yeah.
I know you're not paying full price for it and it's exposure to a brand, so like I can't be that salty about it.
Well, but when you pay like a subscription service as getting to try new hot items,
it's not like it becomes just like colors.
But then it just becomes like the things that got sent to like a Dirt Cheap or a TJ Maxx.
Bargain outlet
like the things that didn't sell.
Don't get me wrong, this could be someone's most favorite eyeshadow palette ever. I just think
but you're not getting their bestseller.
Right. From first examination, it looks...
Open it. Let's see. It might just be a warm tone. See, it's not that bad. Definitely the reds and the yellows probably kept people from super buying it.
I don't think that someone of my skin tone would be able to get a one and done look out of this palette.
No, you can't because there's not a highlight.
Because there's not light enough. There's not a good light lid color. Like, I like a light lid color, but I don't have to have a light lid color. But there is no like brow highlight situation, so.
There's also not a good medium. Like the middle one's almost kind of like transitionally. Like these are kind of, but I'm saying like, they're all on like a similar shade darkness.
Yeah. And not like my first choice for colors, but I feel like you could put them in with other palettes and get really pretty looks out of it. So, you know, for us, something that plays into whether or not we like a palette is if you are able to get like a full look out of it. But you know, I got one of these 9-pan palettes from her, and I think the same thing has put me off with that, is that there's not a good light color.
Yeah.
And so if I can't get a full look out of it, I hesitate to use it because
I feel like some brands think that those are just boring done colors and they don't want to include them, and I'm like, but they're important.
And if they're not in there, I might not use your palette.
Yeah.
Or I might buy it, be disappointed, and not buy another one.
Yeah.
Like, that's not a problem I have with Too Faced palettes. I can get a look out of every single Too Faced palette beginning to end.
Anastasia is pretty good too.
And Tarte has good eyeshadow palettes for that. Urban Decay has good eyeshadow palettes for that. Those are my top high-end eyeshadow palettes for like being able to get from beginning to end.
Yeah.
Speaking of, if you guys have not seen it yet, we did the Sephora wishlist and recommendations video. We'll link it down below if you guys are shopping the sale, because we talk about all the things that we want to buy or that we have, that we've loved. I also want to know, what videos do you want to see from us? We're changing it up a little bit because I feel like after 10 years, you got to do that new. 10 years. Oh my God. Which is another reason why we have our boutique, because like, you know, you gotta change it up.
Yeah.
Life is about
interesting.
Yeah, having fun and doing things you love, and when the things that you used to love you don't love anymore, you gotta change it up and make sure you keep on loving it. So
like, we're even playing on TikTok.
Oh, what?
Just keeping it fun.
Follow us.
Like, we've talked about it, and I feel like TikTok is the goofy, silly content that started us on YouTube.
Yes.
Not like somebody was like, we need more of you on Instagram when I was talking about doing TikTok or whatever.
Yeah.
And I'm like, it's not gonna take me away from anywhere, but
also, I gotta be honest,
it's fun to play on.
There's something that I saw from somebody recently about Instagram that really resonated with me, and just the thinking about creating the content, going up against all the other people that are creating content in this like perfect curated way, gives me so much stress and anxiety that I was
watching somebody's video and they were like, yeah, we're gonna get ready to go out and maybe we can go get some like pictures of our outfits for Instagram before we go out. And like, that's just not even on my radar.
It's not the way that we live, and
I'm not gonna pretend it's the way that I live.
And
like,
honestly,
if I've got a cute outfit on, like the other day, which it never made it to Instagram, but Tracy had a cute outfit on and we were going to get lunch and she was like, ooh, take my picture out here for Instagram.
Also, I kind of just wanted to see what the area looked like,
Yeah.
to be honest, because we take so many photos for Madison and Mallory for our boutique. And I was like, could this be an area where we could shoot photos?
Yeah.
So it was like and maybe I'll post it to Instagram, but I just...
If we want to take a picture of our outfit for Instagram, it's usually on the fly, as seen by the lack of outfit photos on Instagram.
Yeah.
We just don't usually do that. And also, we're usually in like leggings and
and working at the
warehouse.
boutique, and we're just too busy to just go take Instagram photos.
Yeah.
You know, on the one hand, that's never been something that like we loved anyway. Our Instagram was always just about selfies and like when we traveled, like what we were doing, what we were seeing, and like
most of the curated outfits and stuff on there are because we've been modeling for our boutique and had outfits on and felt cute. We don't usually just I just want to have a conversation with you guys in the comments about, you know, what your thoughts are on social media, what you're enjoying about it. Like Steph is saying, for us right now, we are thoroughly enjoying TikTok. Oh, gosh. That's where we're consuming a lot of our content.
That's how our YouTube started, was we were loving YouTube, we were loving watching it, and we wanted to make videos. And that's what happened with TikTok. Like, we were loving watching it, and we want to do the things that we're seeing that are funny. And
that's not to say that we're going to go over there and be super original and come up with all of our own stuff and be like TikTok stars, but if I see a fun trend, I'm probably gonna do it.
Yeah.
So if you want to follow us, you can.
Yeah.
But it's not like we're not pursuing TikTok like it's our next big thing.
No.
We're just having fun on it.
That's not what we did with YouTube either.
I know.
We weren't.
I just don't want anyone to ever think that we're like.
But I want people to know that about
trying to do something different. We're just doing it for fun.
YouTube came out of, I like to watch makeup tutorials. I like to watch hauls. I like to watch what's in my bag. So I'm gonna make those videos. Yeah. And what we've gotten to do since then has been amazing, and I love it, and I don't want to stop still. That excitement and creativity and that like what's going on TikTok, I have to check it, is where I'm at now.
That's the only way I ever want to do things, is out of just
excitement.
Yeah.
Not
because I think I'm gonna go like make money and be successful, and
I think when that drives you to do something,
it's an empty thing.
I just don't think it's as rewarding when.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's not like, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, well, comments down below. Let's have a conversation. Let us know what you think of these boxes.
This entire time, whatever's behind my head right here has
felt
like my hair's crazy, and I'm like, so if you see me doing the video going, because like it looks like I got fuzzy hairs up there.
Yeah. All right, guys, leave those comments down below, and we're gonna talk to you in another video so soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys. You enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.